Let's see how to crochet this beautiful peacock feather crochet applique. Welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. We will start with indigo part first, that middle center indigo part. Make a slip knot. After slip knot, your slip knot comes. After slip knot, we make 3 chain crochet stitches. Okay. Now we join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. So we get a very tiny small ring, and after this we will make stitches around that ring. It is tiny, it is small, but it is big enough for your needle to pass through. Now make 3 chain crochet stitches. We got our ring. We joined first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. We got our ring, and after that we made 3 chain crochet stitches again. See this ring. We are going to make stitches around this ring. Okay. First we made 3 chain crochet stitches. After that we will make 12 double crochet stitches around that ring. See how I am doing it. Yarn over. See, I will show you again. Yarn over. Insert your needle inside that ring. Grab the yarn, pull through and make a double crochet stitch. Okay. See, yarn over, insert your needle inside that ring, grab the yarn, pull through and make a double crochet stitch. So in similar fashion we are going to make 12 double crochet stitches. First I will complete this 12 double crochet stitches and I will show you further what we have to do. Now see, we are almost done with those 12 double crochet stitches. Now here goes the last one. Okay, now see, we are done. Now last step, we will just make 3 chain crochet stitches and join a third chain crochet stitch with the ring, that ring of 3 chain crochet stitches on around which we are making all the stitches. We will join it with the slip stitch. That's it. See, that center section of that peacock feather, it's not round actually. It's like 3/4 of a circle. So we are basically trying to make that only, and we made it. Now we will go for the blue part. Now just insert your needle in first double crochet stitch. Okay, and grab the blue yarn and pull through and make a slip stitch. Skip those 3 chain crochet stitches. On first, insert your needle in first double crochet stitch. We are not working in those chain crochet stitches. We are inserting a needle in first double crochet stitch, grabbing the yarn. See, yarn over, grab the yarn, pull through and make a slip stitch. Then make 2 half double crochet stitches in each stitch using back loop of each stitch. Make 2 half double crochet stitches in each stitch using back loop of each stitch. I'll just complete this round, and this you have to do only means we have to make 2 half double crochet stitches, 2 half double crochet stitches in each stitch using back loop of each stitch, and this you have to do only in double crochet stitches. We are not working on those chain crochet stitches, 3 in the left, 3 in the right. We are not working on that. We are working only on double crochet stitches. I'll just complete this round and I'll show you. Now see, here we are done with our last stitch, last double crochet stitch. Now we are going to make triple crochet stitches, 7 triple crochet stitches, and we will make those stitches around that ring. That little portion is left. Okay, we have not completed that indigo circle, so little portion of that ring is left. In there we are going to make 7 triple crochet stitches around that ring. Okay, 7 triple crochet stitches. You need to yarn over twice in triple crochet stitch. Then yarn over, pull through from first 2 loop, yarn over, pull through from second 2 loop. This is how you make triple crochet stitches. So here we are almost done with the blue part also. I'll just complete this. Remember, 7 triple crochet stitches, and we are done with 7 triple crochet stitches. We will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch.
Mommy, where Daddy?
Now see, here we are done with our last triple crochet stitch. Now we join our last triple crochet stitch with the first half double crochet stitch with the slip stitch, and here our blue portion is also ready. Now after that yellow and black portion will come, that you will get in second part, because video is becoming quite long, so I have made parts of it. Okay. Okay, now see, we can see stitches, we can see all those stitches when we are means like after indigo round we have done the blue round. So instead of stitches it should look plain round. So for that we will make 1 slip stitch in each stitch on in that, see, middle of where we have join indigo and blue in that middle circle. We will make one slip stitch in each single stitch. See, so like it goes after this it will look like a plain round, as if painting is done. Those stitches won't be seen. Stitches won't be seen. Now see, this is how our final blue and indigo part looks. Now see, those stitches are not seen. It looks plain round. Okay, just cut the yarn. We are done with indigo part and blue part also. This is the final piece. Now second part will be also coming soon. In that you will get this yellow and black portion. So if you have liked the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. If you have already subscribed, thank you, thanks a lot. And if you have not yet subscribed, I'll request you to please do subscribe my YouTube channel. I'm coming up with lots and lots of new video.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.